guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Taiwanese fried chicken. So, kumain kasi ako sa isang Taiwanese restaurant at nagustuhan ko yung kanilang fried chicken recipe. And I try to recreate it para i-share sa inyo yung ating Taiwanese recipe. And here are the following ingredients. First step, itong ating boneless chicken, ikakat lang natin into strips or kahit na anong size ang gusto nyong gawin. Gumamit ako ng chicken breast. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng chicken thigh. Ito na yung nahiwa nating chicken strips. I-marinate natin to sa half a tablespoon ng minced garlic. Add natin tong half a tablespoon ng Chinese 5 spice. Itong half a teaspoon ng white pepper. Half a teaspoon ng black pepper at 1 teaspoon salt. Mag-add din tayo ng 1 tablespoon soy sauce and mix it well. And i-leave natin to marinate for about half an hour. Para naman sa ating seasoning, dito sa isang bowl, isama natin tong half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ng white pepper, half a teaspoon ng black pepper, at i-add din natin itong 1 teaspoon ng Chinese 5 spice. Mix it well, and we will set this aside. Ito na yung na-marinate natin chicken. I-coat natin to ng 1/4 cup ng potato starch at 1/4 cup ng tapioca flour. Kung wala kayong tapioca flour, pwede kayong gumamit ng corn starch. Then, i-mix lang natin to and make sure na well-coated ang ating chicken. Kung gusto nyo, ilagay nyo lang ito sa ziploc na bag and then aalugin nyo lang. Pero mas gusto kong ginagawa itong ganito. Okay. Nagpe-preheat na rin ako ng oil dito sa ating pan at ipiprito na natin. Make sure na mahina lang yung apoy nyo para hindi masunog yung ating chicken. Yan. After a few minutes, balik na rin naman natin. Since maliit lang yung chicken na ginamit natin, nag-strips, mabilis lang ang luto nito. Then, continue natin ang pagluto hanggang maging golden brown. Yan. After a total of 5 minutes ng pagluluto, pwede muna natin itong hanguin. Kuwalan tayo ng plate lined with paper towel para lang ma-absorb yung excess oil. Hindi pa tapos to. Palamigin lang natin ng for about 10 minutes. Then, i-double fry natin. Okay, 10 minutes na natin napalamig itong chicken na naprito natin. I-double fry natin para mas crispy. So, mga 2 minutes lang to. Huwag natin i-overcook para juicy pa rin inside and crispy outside. After 2 minutes, ready na yung ating chicken. Transfer natin uli sa plate with paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Then, ito yung ginawa nating powder, mixture. Sprinkle lang natin. Then, haluin natin. Para coated lahat ng ating chicken. And there you have it, our quick and easy Taiwanese fried chicken. Best served with rice.
Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Lutong!